Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're reviewing an incredible dual monitor mount that's perfect for ultra-wide screens, the ErgoFocus heavy-duty dual monitor arm. If you want better ergonomics, more desk space, and a sturdy setup, stay tuned. Let's dive in. The ErgoFocus dual monitor mount supports screens from 13 to 43 inches, handling up to 33 pounds per arm. It works with flat and curved monitors, making it versatile for various setups. Plus, it's VESA compatible with 75 by 75 mm and 100 by 100 mm mounting patterns. Whether you have a 27-inch display or a massive 43-inch ultra-wide, this mount has you covered. One standout feature is the upgraded tilting head design. Thanks to its 2 limit screws, it prevents screen sagging, keeping your monitors aligned. The gas spring mechanism has been tested over 20,000 times, ensuring smooth adjustments and long-term durability. You can tilt, swivel, and rotate your screens 360 degrees, making it easy to switch between landscape and portrait modes. Beyond adjustability, this monitor arm frees up 50% of your desk space. The built-in cable management system keeps wires tidy, creating a clean and clutter-free workspace. It also offers 2 mounting options, C-clamp or grommet, fitting desks up to 3.15 inches thick. If you're looking for a strong, flexible, and space-saving dual monitor mount, the ErgoFocus heavy-duty monitor arm is a great choice. Check the link in the description to grab yours today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tech reviews. See you in the next one.